Hey guys, do you like eating chicken legs? Well, our hero Toby doesn't because he says they look like dirty socks. But one day his mum made him a deal. If he eats 3 chicken legs, then he will get a new drone. But if he doesn't, then no drone. What would you do in this situation? Would you eat the chicken legs or not? Well, let's find out what Toby decided. The next day at school, Toby was telling his best friend Max about his mum's offer. 3 chicken legs for a drone. Ugh, that's disgusting, said Max. I don't think I could ever eat 3 chicken legs. That's exactly what I thought, said Toby. But I really want a drone. I can already see myself flying it around the playground and taking cool videos of my skateboard tricks. Max looked at Toby and said, "Well, you know what? There's a park near my house where they have these contests for eating chicken legs. Last year, my dad won by eating 18 chicken legs in 10 minutes. Wow. Really? You mean I can win a prize by eating chicken legs? Of course, but you'd have to beat my dad. He's the reigning champion. Okay, I accept your challenge. Max, I'm going to be the new chicken leg eating champion." After school, Toby went straight to Max's house. They went over the rules. Whoever ate more chicken legs wins. They agreed that each chicken leg should be no bigger than this post-it note. Then they started. At first, everything was fine. Toby ate chicken leg after chicken leg, but Max's dad was too strong. With only 1 minute left, he had already eaten 16 chicken legs. This is it, thought Toby. I'll never beat him. But then he remembered what his grandfather had told him once. When someone thinks you can't do something, that's when you prove them wrong. Taking a deep breath, Toby started to focus, and with just a few seconds left, he ate the 17th and 18th chicken leg. "I can't believe it," said Toby. "I actually did it." He couldn't believe he'd managed to eat more chicken legs than Max's dad. Just then, Max's dad came back from the bathroom. "What? How is this possible?" He looked at the pile of chicken legs and was surprised. "Wow, well done. I guess you deserve a prize." And he gave Toby a giant chocolate bar. "Thanks," said Toby. He was so happy. Not only had he proven the naysayers wrong, but he also got a giant chocolate bar. When Toby got home, he proudly told his mum about winning the eating contest. "Really? That's great," she said. "But remember our deal. You have to eat 3 chicken legs, and you didn't even finish one." Toby felt disappointed. He really wanted a drone, but now it seemed impossible to eat 2 more chicken legs. He thought for a moment, "Mum, how about we change the deal? I won't ask for a drone, but can I have a remote control car instead, please?" Well, I guess I can buy you a remote control car, but you still have to eat 3 chicken legs. Okay, deal. Later that day, Toby took the remote control car outside and started to play with it. Suddenly, Toby's mum came out the door. "Hey, you said you wanted a remote control car. Why are you playing with mine?" I didn't mean that, Mum. I just wanted to tell you that I finished my 3 chicken legs." What, really? Are you sure? Yep, I ate them all during lunch. Well, I'm very proud of you, Toby. You kept your word and now I'll keep mine. She gave Toby a big hug, and to celebrate, we can go get some ice cream. Yes, yes, ice cream. That sounds awesome. Friends, sometimes it's important to keep your promises. Of course, it's okay to ask for different conditions, but only if you're ready to meet them. By the way, what would you do if you were in Toby's situation? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye.